So this next song, I'm pretty sure y'all should know, because like, who doesn't know Fleetwood Mac? Yeah, so there's a little story that goes along with this. So my grandma was kind enough to give me a record player, which is like the coolest gift ever. And like my dad, you know, he's like, okay, you can have these records, just don't do anything bad with them, you know, make sure they're nice. And so like I was listening to those records on repeat, and I heard this song over and over again, and I just, you know, I had to play it. So this is Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. Now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. In the stillness of remembering what you had, oh, and what you lost, and what you had, and what you lost, oh, 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 thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. Here I go again, I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only right that you should play the way you feel it, but listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. In the stillness of remembering what you had, oh, and what you lost, and what you had, and what you lost, oh, 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 thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. Only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say women, they will come and they will go. Whoa, whoa. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. You will know, oh, you'll know, you will know.
Sign me up. Nice.
Okay, so this is kind of my down part of the show, and in this next song, I really want to hopefully share a message with y'all. It's by Miss Shania Twain, the little country girl. And I love this song so much. Like, hearing it the first time, I was just like, oh, whatever. But then the second time when you really listen to it, it's just kind of like one that really hits your heart. And that's really this song. So I really hope you guys can listen to it tonight and just take that with you. And just think about, you know, everything happening in the world. And just make sure there's peace and love. So this is When by Shania Twain. If elephants could fly, I'd be a little more optimistic, but I don't see that happening anytime soon. I don't mean to sound so pessimistic, but I don't think that cow really jumped over the moon. When will I wake up? Why did we break up? When will we make up? When money grows on trees, people live in peace, everyone agrees. When happiness is free, love can guarantee you'll come back to me. That's when I'd love to wake up smiling, full of joys of spring, and hear on CNN that Elvis lives again, and that John's back with the Beatles, and they're going out on tour. I'll be the first in line for tickets. Gotta see that show for sure. When will I wake up? Why did we break up? When will we make up? When money grows on trees, people live in peace, everyone agrees. When happiness is free, love can guarantee you'll come back to me. That's when. When will I wake up? Why did we break up? When will we make up? When money grows on trees, people live in peace, everyone agrees. When happiness is free, love can guarantee you'll come back to me. That's when. Thank you.